Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the simple 3D ball design using the Adobe Illustrator. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, I will start to create the pattern. First, here I will choose the rectangle tool, and for example I will create the simple stripe. I will copy and make it into the several rectangle, put it here, and for example I will give the color here to be gray like this, and I will also remove the stroke or the outline, and so does this white rectangle. Like this, and after that we can start to copy of or duplicate this pattern. For example I will make it, and after that you can drag this pattern all over and make it into the group. Give it the right click and click group, and after that I will put or set aside of this pattern to be here, and after that you will need to put this symbol panel. You need to open the window if this not exists there, and after that you can activate this symbol, and after that it will show here, and select this pattern and make it into the symbol, new symbol like this, and make sure that the setting is like this: new symbol, movie clip, and dynamic symbol, and click OK, and it will be added into this list of the symbol, guys. And the next thing gonna be create a circle or this ellipse, and if you would like to create it precise, so you need to push this shift in your keyboard and drag this, and this will be the result. And the next thing will be I will make this circle into the half, so you need to select this circle first, and after that you can push A into your keyboard, and for example I will click this, and after that you can push delete, and this will be the half circle we have, and select it with this selection tool until like this. And after that I will start to remove the stroke like this. After that you can start to choose this effect and choose the 3D and revolve like this, and after that you can activate the preview down here like this, and after that you'll see this is the pattern we have, and on the surface setting you can choose it to become diffuse shading, so this will be the result. And after that you can start to click this map art, and for the symbol it was none, so you can click this drop down and click this new symbol, and after that you can click this scale to fit like this, and after that you can activate this shade artwork like this, and then click OK. And to make it the ball slightly more natural, so you can rotate this position, let's say like this or like this, which one do you prefer? And after that, you can also adjust the lighting by click it like this, and you can also adjust the light intensity or the ambient light, which one you prefer. And you can also do the rotation a little bit. And after that, you can continue to click OK. And after that, this will be the ball we have now. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.